If you don't know how to detect, or if you don't know how to identify when your woman just finished collecting another man cassava apart from you, then this video is for you. Do not go anywhere and do not skip any part of this video, because women believe that kpekus no dey read meter. So because of that, line do pium pium pium. They want to collect any cassava that comes their way. But trust me, kpekus they read meters, because when cassava just browse through the place, there is no how, no way that you will see the kpeku cassava just browse through, maybe for some hours, that you will not know. Even there are some women, after 2 days, you will still know that yes, cassava just passed through that place. I am telling you from experience, when a man just knock you as a woman due to serious banging for some hours or for some minutes, the look of that place is not going to be as usual. So as a man, bring your eye down and take a look of all those things I'm about to discuss. Hi beautiful people, my name is Ohena Blessing Rhoda, and you are welcome to my channel. I'm back again with another mind-blowing video on 6 potential ways you will be able to identify that your woman just finished knacking another guy. Okay, there are a lot of signs you're going to see in your woman kpekus, I mean your woman VGC area, that you will know that she just finished knacking. Okay, so don't be deceived. There are some women that will just finish knacking another guy, they will bring themselves to you for you to knock them again. So today's video is actually going to be an eye-opener. If you are a guy that you have been suspecting that your woman has been knacking with numerous guys, my darling, today's video is going to open your eyes for you to know that yes, truly she just finished knacking another guy. Because there are a lot of obvious signs you're going to see in your woman VGC area, okay, for you to know that woman, you just finished knacking. On this my channel, I teach about relationship and sex education. So if you are new to the channel, do where to hit the subscription bell, turn on your bell notification for you to get notified when next I upload any other valuable video. And if you are new to my channel, after watching this particular video, do where to watch at least 2 or 3 more videos from this my channel. Trust me, you're gonna get value and you're gonna get blessed. Let's go back to today's business, which is 6 potential signs you will see able to identify that your woman just finished knacking another guy. Okay, number 1 thing you're going to see in your woman VGC area that you will be able to identify that mommy, you just finished knacking another man, is slightly swollen or red lips on that two lips covering the kpekus. That place is going to be very red. Likewise, her lips is going to be very red. Whenever your woman comes to you and you discover that 2 lips covering that place, when you notice that place is swollen, know that she just finished knacking. Normally, because of your going in and coming out from that place, definitely that place is going to swell. Whether you are the one that knock her or another guy knock her is a usual thing, is a normal thing. That when a woman just finished knacking, that place is not going to be like when somebody has not browsed through that area for a week. The place is going to be swollen. Then with time, the thing will come back to the normal size that he used to be. So when a woman just finished knacking, when she comes to you, definitely take a close look at the opening of that VGC area. The thing is going to be swollen, one, and the thing is going to be red in color. Likewise, her lips. Be sensitive, okay, because there are a lot of women out there that they like to do pew pew pew. Because there are some women, they don't like to do only one man, they just like to be going around collecting prick anyhow. Even though the guy did not knock her, maybe they just give themselves foreplay. Definitely, because of stimulation, that place is going to be red in color. As a man, you reach Jerusalem, and she too, she also reached Jerusalem. When you take a look at her VGC area, the place is going to be swollen. That is because your rod has browsed through that area for some minutes. So for that reason, definitely the opening is going to be swollen. Even when you take a look at the opening after you finish knacking, you're like, why is the thing ugly like this? The swelling is not painful, okay? The swelling is not painful, but there is going to be a sign that no, cassava just passed through this opening. Do you understand me as a man? So don't be deceived. Whenever your woman comes to you, you discover that her kpekus, the opening has swollen up, or the opening, there is redness in the opening area, know that she just finished collecting another premium prick. That is number 1 sign that you will see in your woman kpekus, that you will know that okay, she just finished collecting another cassava. Do you understand me? So another potential signs that you're going to see in your woman kpekus, that you will know that, okay, no, she just finished collecting prick, or she just finished collecting another man cassava, is potential scent or fragrance changes. If you could believe, or if you can reason with me, that is why you see that it's very easy when a man just finishing on her woman, when she comes back home and her woman smells his body, or her woman smells his clothes, she will be able to detect that, okay, no, my man just knack another kpeku. Same thing to women. When a woman just finish collecting another man's cassava, when she comes back home, the scent of her fragrance is going to be different, because there is another body contact entirely. Okay, there is a different body contact from the usual one. For instance, her deodorant odor is different from the man that he collects his cassava. Then when the two comes together, the scent or the fragrance is going to change. And another thing is that the milk that come out from you people's cassava, the milk that come out from you men cassava, is going to make the scent and fragrance of our body change. Likewise, because of hormonal changes due to some release after they finish knacking, definitely when she comes back home as a man, there is no how you will tell me that you don't know that she just finished collecting another man cassava. And due to hormonal release and physical activities, definitely the scent of her body or her fragrance is going to change. Do you understand me? Number 3 potential signs is behave, hair or clothing. Just look at the screen for the spelling of behave. Okay, what do I mean by behave, hair or clothing? When a woman just finished knacking another man, definitely her cloth is going to be rumpled. Maybe for instance, when your woman was leaving the house, clothes that she wore was well iron, or her hair was well arranged, and she returned back home, everything has scattered, everything has tangled, her clothes is rumpled, know that she just collect another cassava. During knacking, you know, definitely in our hair, they pull hair when they are knacking. So there is no how, no way after that kind of vigorous exercise that the hair is not going to be tangled. And likewise her cloth is going to be rumpled. So it's another potential sign for you to know that yes, your woman just finished collecting another man cassava. Your woman just finished collecting another premium prick outside. When she comes back home with her hair tattered or with her clothes rumpled, know that she just collect another prick. That is why you see that after they finish collecting such prick, you see them adjusting their hair, and also adjusting their clothes for you not to know. But trust me, my darling, there is no how they will adjust the hair and also adjust their clothes, that if you are an observant man, when she returns back home, that you will not still know. Do you understand me? There is no how she's going to arrange it that you will not know that she just finished knacking. Even at time when your woman go out and come out, go close to her hair, smell her hair or her clothes. If she just finished knacking another man, the smell, the scent of that man's body is going to be on her hair or on her clothes. That one is unerasable. There is no how she spray her own body deodorant just to cover up what they have done, that you will not still be able to figure it out if you are a very good observant man. The fragrance on her hair or the scent on her hair or on her ear or on her clothes is going to be different from the usual scent. But 4 potential signs is flush skin or glow. Okay, flush skin or glow. Do you believe that, or do you know that knacking actually make your skin glow? Do you know that knacking also flushes your skin? So knacking flushes one's skin and also glows one's skin. So that is why it's very, very important that you service your engine once in a while, okay? It is very, very important to service your engine when you are using a vehicle for a very long period of time. If you don't service your vehicle, what happens? It knocks down. Same thing to human body. So when you don't service your kpekus or your prick, as time goes on, you will knock down. Is that taking? Knacking can increase blood flow, and as it increases your blood flow, it makes your body warms. It makes your body warms, then making your appearance glowing, making your appearance shining. Do you hear me? So if you are someone that maybe due to your religion purpose or due to one thing or the other, you decided not to knack, definitely your skin is not going to glow. Definitely your appearance is going to be tattered. My darling, I am not lying. I'm telling you, or I'm teaching you from experience. Go and look at the appearance of ladies or guys that decided to abstain from knacking for a very long period of time. That the way they look is going to be different from someone that is collecting constant knacking. day in, day out, the appearance of the lady or the guy that is knacking constantly is going to be different from someone that I've seen for some months. I have said it that knacking increases blood flow, and as it increases blood flow, it causes your body to be warm, making your appearance look radiant and also what, glowing. Do you understand me? Is that taken? I beg, I need bravo, because everything I'm telling you, that is just the simple truth. Okay, you know I'm a woman as well. This is what we all do on daily basis. Before I tell you number 5 potential signs, but if you are going to see in your woman body on your
Thankful for my fans each day. Let's rock this Q&A.